Hi there, and welcome back to A Page of Cooking. As you can see, we've been enjoying some real winter weather here in the last couple of days. And of course, we've been stuffing yourselves with delicious, warm comfort food. This recipe comes to us from Finland, and I'm going to link down the original recipe below. And last year, this recipe was so popular in Finland that the stores actually ran out of feta cheese. Once you see how easy it is to make and how flavorful it turns out, you will be obsessed too. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Oil your baking pan. Add cherry tomatoes. And mix tomatoes with olive oil and salt. Place a block of feta cheese in the middle, a little bit more olive oil, sprinkle with some oregano, red peppers flakes for the heat, and let's bake the dish for 30 to 40 minutes until tomatoes burst and feta cheese begins to brown on top. While your feta cheese is baking, cook your favorite pasta. Mince 1 to 2 garlic cloves depending on their size. And let's cut up some fresh basil leaves. If you don't have fresh basil, that's okay. You can always substitute with basil pesto. Just cut down the amount of garlic you're using, since basil pesto already has a lot of garlic in it. As soon as you take the cheese out of the oven, add garlic, basil, some fresh pepper, and give it a good stir. Add your pasta. Throw some more basil on top, and you're done. Enjoy!